See the sky about to rain, open clouds and rain, locomotive pull the train, going down the tracks again. Whistle blowing on an open plain, going down the tracks again. See the sky out to rain. Some are bound for happiness, some are bound for glory, some are bound to live with less. Who can tell their story? See the sky about to rain, open clouds and rain, locomotive pull the train, going down the track again. See the sky about to rain, open clouds and rain, locomotive pull the train, going down the track again.
Beautiful. I've never heard anybody cover that before.
Yeah, it's a great song.
Yeah.
You know, for a bar, it's kind of folky, but you like to mix it up. You know, gotta have some
Yeah.
folky stuff in there with, you know, it's just rock and roll all night. I think that, oh, that must be, let's see what I've got. That's my, I got that built-in reverb.
Yeah, that's that.
Yeah, that's me. Okay, all right.
That
Yeah.
back of me.
Okay, that's me. All right. That sounds okay. Woo, woo, ah, ah. Woo, woo, woo. My baby does the hanky panky. 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 I saw her walking on down the line. You know, I saw her for the very first time. A pretty little girl standing all alone. Said, baby, can I take you home? I never saw her, I never saw her. My baby does the hanky panky. My baby does the hanky panky. My baby does the hanky panky. My baby, the hanky panky. My baby does the hanky panky. Oh yeah, we're rocking now. This is a song I wrote way back in the 1970s. He's got the time the time to hang around. He's getting paid to check you out. His camera is on the scene, so just watch out when you're upset. Master of the media, he's master of the media. His big brown eyes can see through you. He sees just what he wants to. He's so discreet, but seldom is on campuses and city streets. For when two guys walk hand in hand, the one-shot man is seldom banned. The master of the media, he's master of the media. His big brown eyes can see through you. He sees just what he wants to. The other day when I woke up, I reached over to kill the clock, but the sun was shining on the head of the media man who was in my bed. He's master of the media. He's master of the media. His brown eyes can see through you. He sees just what he wants to. Yeah, he's master of the media. He's master of the media. His big brown eyes can see through you. He sees just what he wants to of you. Way back in 1970-something, one or two.
Guess I'm good to you, I got something.
Yeah, my settings, they're so hard to set and reset that I just leave the way they are. They're not quite like I want them. It's got too much echo in it. I like more crisp sound, more crisp slapback, but it's too hard to adjust.
Sometimes on these ones here, if it's the mix, I would turn back the mix if it's too much saturation of the effect, or you can change the time.
Yeah, now I gotta remember how to do it, because if you just adjust them now, this is set. So I gotta figure out how you unset it.
Then
Maybe
you
if I
hold it.
just do that.
If it's off, and then you hold it down on that one for
Yeah, if I hold it for
5
2 seconds.
Yeah, and then it saves that setting.
All right, now is that off now? How do I turn that off? See, on. See, now it's on. That's the set. Now that turns off the set. It's just a plain sound. But I don't know if that's when you adjust it, or if you have to do something else.
I think
it's supposed to be flashing. I think it's supposed to be flashing in order to be adjusted. Over here. Now, I don't know why I got.